how to turn off sensitive content on X or Twitter application in 2023. Hello everyone. Welcome back to ProTech Tutor. Sometimes people tend to share images and videos on Twitter or X app that can contain violent, abusive, or adult content. Twitter recognizes these contents as sensitive content. So, let's now move on to learn how to turn off sensitive content filter on Twitter in 2023. For your information, the settings to turn off sensitive content on Twitter app directly isn't available on iPhone or iPad. So if you're using an iPhone, you won't be able to remove the warnings. However, you can change the settings on the iPhone using a browser. Let's just hop out from this app. Now, what you need to do is to open any mobile browser on your iPhone. For me, I will open my Google Chrome here. Then, on the search bar, type Twitter. Tap on this Twitter browser. Now, sign into your Twitter account. Enter your phone, email or username. Then, enter your password. Once you've done, tap on Login. Next step, tap on your profile picture icon in the top left corner and the side menu will show up. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Support. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, select Privacy and Safety Settings. Under your X Activity section, select and tap on Content UC option. At the very top of the screen, you'll see the Display Media that may contain sensitive content option where you can check or uncheck the box to enable or disable the sensitive content. Just check on the box to enable this if you decide to see content with sensitive content. And then, there is another option that you have to change. Head to Search Settings and you'll see Hide Sensitive Content option. If this option is enabled, you have to uncheck the box beside the Hide Sensitive Content option. Now, the media that may contain sensitive content is enabled, and there you have it. You now know how to turn off sensitive content on X or Twitter application on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.